equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the Toshiba Satellite IT8528A, a laptop that many users have reported issues with. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and some compressed air for cleaning. Start by ensuring your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical damage. Next, locate the screws on the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the clips. Now, let's take a look at the internal components. Dust accumulation can cause overheating and performance issues. Using your compressed air, carefully blow out any dust from the fans and heatsinks. This step is essential for maintaining optimal performance. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Once cleaned, inspect the RAM and hard drive connections. Ensure they are securely seated in their slots. If you notice any loose connections, gently press them back into place. This can often resolve boot issues. Next, let's check the hard drive. If you suspect it's failing, listen for unusual clicking sounds. If you hear any, it might be time for a replacement. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. After checking these components, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned properly to avoid any damage. Finally, power on your laptop and see if the issues persist. If you're still facing problems, it may be a more serious issue that requires professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, we are here to help with no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced. In summary, regular maintenance and cleaning can significantly extend the life of your Toshiba Satellite IT8528A. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional services. We are just a call away, ready to help you get back to work with minimal hassle. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.